Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create fake window reflection. I will be working with these two images. I downloaded them from freepik.com. I have provided these images that you can download. Links and attributions are located in my video description. Enjoy watching. Remember to subscribe in my channel. To create the fake reflection of the window, we need a suitable image. The environment of the image is crucial. Preferably, this should be for interior decoration. We need also to import an image of a street or a building. Scale the image of the street to fill the canvas. Add a Gaussian blur to simulate a realistic reflection. To do this, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and apply a radius of about 10 pixels. Change this layer's blend mode to soft light, which allows the two layers to interact by making darker areas transparent. To refine the appearance of the reflections window, add a levels adjustment layer. Move the levels sliders to adjust the appearance reflections. You can also click and drag the reflection layer to find the best position. You can use adjustments from image menu to adjust the window reflection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel.